Another problem. Ninth problem. If seconds hand of a watch is 2 centimeter long, the speed of the tip of this hand is. If seconds hand of a watch is 2 centimeter long, this is watch, this is center, this is the seconds hand, this is the tip of the seconds hand, center of the watch, circular watch. This is the tip of the seconds hand. And here the length is 2 centimeter. This is 2 centimeter. When this seconds hand completes one circle, the time taken is, when this seconds hand completes one circle, seconds hand, since this is seconds hand, time taken by the seconds hand to complete one circle is 60 seconds. Time taken by the seconds hand to complete one circle. When it moves one circle, then time taken is 60 seconds because it is seconds hand. Now we have to find the speed of this tip. Speed is equal to distance by time. Distance by time. When this seconds hand completes one circle, this tip moves one circumference. That is, moves one circle like this. Hence, distance traveled by this tip is one circle. Length of one circle is nothing but one perimeter, one circumference, that is 2 pi r. 2 pi r by time taken is 60. Here r is radius of the circle. Radius of the circle means nothing but length of this seconds hand. That is, speed is equal to 2 pi into r. Radius of the circle means here nothing but length of this hand, 2 centimeter by 60. This is pi by 4 pi by 60. 4/15. Hence speed is equal to pi by 15. Pi means 3.14 by 15. Value of pi is 3.14. So 3.14 by 15 means 0.2 and approximately 0.21 centimeter per second. This is the speed of tip of seconds hand. So here we have to find the time taken to complete one circle, which is nothing but 60 seconds because it is a seconds hand. Similarly, if this is a minutes hand, what is the time taken? So for minutes hand, time taken is some 60 minutes to complete one circle. 60 minutes. Then in that case, time is 60 minutes because here it is given as seconds hand. So time taken by the seconds hand to complete one circle is 60 seconds. When it completes one circle, distance traveled is nothing but one perimeter, that is 2 pi r. R is the radius of the circle. Here radius of the circle is nothing but length of this seconds hand, which is given as 2 centimeter. Okay. So 0.21 centimeter per second, that is the speed of the seconds hand. Then 10th problem. A car travels 1/3 distance on a straight road with a velocity of 10 km per hour. Next 1/3 with a velocity of 20 km per hour. And the last 1/3 distance with velocity of 60 km per hour. Then what is the average velocity of the car in the whole journey? So here car travels 1/3 distance on a straight road. Straight road means distance is nothing but displacement. Distance and displacement both are equal when the body moves in the same direction in the same straight line. So here distance or displacement. Car travels 1/3 displacement on a straight road with what certain velocity, another 1/3 with certain velocity, another 1/3 with another velocity. We have to find the average velocity of the car in the whole journey. So we consider the total displacement of the journey is 1 meter. This is 1 meter. total journey, displacement of total journey is 1 kilometer because it is given in kilometers. Kilometer per hour. Velocity is given in kilometer per hour. Hence, we assume the total displacement of the journey is 1 kilometer. And here it is given the first 1/3 distance. This is first 1/3. This is second 1/3. Third 1/3. So this is 1/3 kilometer. This is 1/3 kilometer. We divide the total journey into 3 parts, equal parts. 1/3 kilometer, 1/3 kilometer, 1/3 kilometer. Now, to find the average velocity, we must know the time intervals. Time taken by the car to move this 1/3 kilometer. T1 is equal to. So, time is equal to displacement by velocity. Displacement by velocity. Here displacement, this is 1/3, 1/3 kilometer. By velocity, in the first case, the velocity is given as 10 kilometer per hour. This is 10. So 1/30 hour because it is given in kilometer per hour, hence time is in hours. So this is the time taken for the car to finish the first 1/3 distance. Similarly, for the second 1/3 distance, the time taken is displacement is 1/3 by velocity. In the second case, velocity is given as 20 kilometer per hour. This is 20. Hence, this is equal to 1/3 into 20. That is 1/60 hour. Okay. Similarly, we have to find the time taken to cover the third part. That is T2. T3. T3 is equal to displacement. Here the displacement is 1/3 kilometer by here velocity. In the third case, velocity is given as 60 kilometer per hour. So this is 60. So this is equal to 1/3 by 60. 1/3 into 60. 1/180 hour. So T1, T2, T3. T1 is 1/30 hour. T2 is 1/60 hour. T3 is 1/180 hour. Now we have to find the average velocity. So V average is equal to total displacement by total time taken. So total displacement 1 kilometer, we assume like that, 1 by total time T1 plus T2 plus T3. So average velocity V average is equal to 1 by T1. T1 is given as T1 is calculated as 1/30. 1/30 plus T2. T2 is 1/60 plus T3 1/180. So 1 by here LCM is 180. So 30. So 6 times. 6 plus this is 60, 180. 3 times plus 180 1 time. Hence this is equal to 180 goes to numerator by 10. 6 plus 3 plus 1, 10. So this is simply V average, or you can write V average is equal to 18 kilometer per hour. So this is the answer. So average velocity in this case is 18 kilometer per hour. That is the answer. Distance of moon is 4 into 10 power 8 meter from the earth. A radar signal transmitted from the earth will reach the moon in about. Distance of moon is 4 into 10 power 8 meter from the earth. So this is earth and this is moon. So distance between earth and moon is 4 into 10 power 8 meter. A radar signal transmitted from the earth will reach the moon. So here radar is there. This radar sends a wave like this, signal. Signal means electromagnetic signal. Electromagnetic signal travels with light velocity. What is velocity of light? Velocity of light C is equal to 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. So this is the speed of this signal. Speed of signal is given as 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Distance between earth and moon, this is earth and this is moon. Distance between earth and moon is given as 4 into 10 power 8 meter. And we have to find the time taken. Time taken by the radar signal transmitted from the earth reaches the moon. So time t is equal to, time is equal to distance by speed. Distance by speed. So here distance is given as 4 into 10 power 8 by speed. Speed of this signal. Speed of this signal is nothing but velocity of light, speed of light, which is 3 into 10 power 8. And so this is 10 over 8, 10 over 8 cancel. Then 4 by 3 second, or this is 1.33 second. 1.33 second. So this is the time taken by the radar signal to reach the moon from the transmitted from the earth. 1.33 second, that is answer.